the term digital disruption has become something of a glitch in the recent years and is often misused to describe any product involving digital technology or the use of digitization to better compete. Disruptive technology, a term coined by Harvard Business School Professor Clayton M. Christensen to describe new technology that displaces an established technology. Hello everyone, good to see you today. This is the video series which I am making on affiliate marketing success secrets. As part of it, presently making this basic series and explaining the basics of marketing and sales. I am Raghav and thank you to logging into this video which I am making on affiliate success secrets and presently covering the basics of marketing and sales before proceeding to the advanced affiliate marketing subject, so that before starting your affiliate career, I would like you to know all these basics which would be quite useful and you need not to look back once your affiliate marketing journey starts. Generally, digital disruption happens after a digital innovation such as big data, machine learning, Internet of Things, or to bring your own device movement. Digital innovation then affects how customer expectations and behaviors evolve, causing organizations to shift how they create products and services, produce marketing material, and evaluate feedback. This shift in digital strategy can occur on an individual, organization, industry, or societal level. I would like to give a few examples of digital disruption. A few examples of digital disruption include the digital camera business disrupted the industry of film, photography, and photo processing. The subscription economy business model, as used by companies like Amazon, Hulu, and Netflix, caused a disruption within the media and entertainment industries by changing how content is accessed by customers and monetized by advertisers. Freemium products such as Spotify, LinkedIn, or Dropbox that allow users to sample a basic product within the option to pay for the full order put more emphasis on developing a well-known brand behind a product or service. On-demand services like Uber have disrupted more traditional services like the taxis. The rise of electronic reading has redefined the print and publication industry. Importance of digital disruption. It is important for organizations to embrace digital disruption. It typically signals that consumer needs are shifting. Therefore, understanding the disruption allows companies to keep existing customers happy as well as create opportunities for new customers. It also gives companies a better idea of human behavior, how trends may occur over time. A few best practices to follow that ensure digital disruptions are more of an opportunity than a threat. That are, pursue initiatives that might cause a disruption. Do not be afraid to be the disruptor. Consolidate data assets and use them to make decisions. Brainstorm ideas for entirely unique products, services, or channels. Employ customer data in new innovative ways. As a rule, the word disruption carries unfavorable impression for people. A downed power line disrupts our electricity. A loud neighbor disrupts our sleep. Sunspots disrupt communication. A derailed train disrupts commuter service. Disruption is not always a welcome word. But not all forms of disruption are harmful. Today we are looking at digital disruption and how it's a potential game changer in our growing high-tech world. And if digital disruption causes some short-term pain, it's well worth it in the long run. So what is the digital disruption in any way? What is digital disruption? Digital disruption describes the change that happens when new digital technologies, services, capabilities, and business models affect and change the value of industries, existing services, and goods. These new elements change or disrupt the status quo, forcing businesses to reevaluate the current market regarding goods and services and possibly adjust. History has many examples of superior technology supplanting the status quo. The automobile replaced the horse and buggy. Electrical light replaced the candles and oil lamps. Mobile phones ended landline superiority. And video killed the radio star. The bottom line, digital disruption means change, and that can be good and bad. However, digital disruption is a unique animal. Let's look at the elements of digital disruption and get a better sense of its uniqueness. Okay, further on this topic, you can please check in my next immediate video on how the digital marketing has brought varied opportunities to each one of us, which will also be covered. So I look forward to your comments with your feedback on if you have any specific query or questions that you want to ask or just want to give feedback on this video, followed by expressing your like or dislike on each of my video in my playlist along with subscribing to my channel. So until then, good luck and see you soon in my next video.